Welcome, engineers. This is the Gauss law symmetric interactive calculator, which solves electric field and charge problems for spherical, cylindrical, and planar geometries. Let's explore the inputs. First, there's a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: spherical electric field from charge, spherical enclosed charge from field, cylindrical electric field from linear charge density, cylindrical linear charge density from field, planar electric field from surface charge density, and planar surface charge density from field. For this demonstration, I'm using spherical electric field from charge. The input fields include enclosed charge Q in coulombs, radius r in meters, electric field E in newtons per coulomb, linear charge density L in coulombs per meter, surface charge density in coulombs per meter squared, cylinder length L in meters, and surface area A in square meters. For our example, I'll enter enclosed charge Q equals 10 coulombs and radius r equals 10 meters. After clicking Calculate, we get electric field E equals 8.9876 E plus 8 newtons per coulomb. Confirming our enclosed charge Q at 10 coulombs, an electric flux Fe equals 1.1294 E plus 12 newton meters squared per coulomb. The calculator confirms spherical geometry and notes that the electric field decreases as 1 over r squared, with the field magnitude at our 10-meter radius being 8.988 E plus 8 newtons per coulomb radially outward from the center. This tool streamlines Gauss's law calculations for symmetric charge distributions. Find the link in the description below.